guys, my name is Dirk Van Reenen. I'm the founder of Merus Adventure Park, and I'm so excited to welcome all of my E3 friends back to Merus for another great adventure. So let's go play.
Being out here forces me to focus on something that's maybe more technical or challenging. It forces me to become present in the moment. And so part of the excitement about doing this is being able to do that, complete something that was hard or challenging in the beginning, and just experience that feeling of accomplishment.
I love this feeling. I can do hard things. Like, it's the best feeling of accomplishment ever. Hands down, nothing compares to this. I fucking love it. Yeah!
It was so amazing. Like, we went out and took trails that I had no idea a full-size truck could do. I had so much fun and I learned so much. Being with a group that was out accomplishing something, we looked at something and we were like, can we do it? Can we do it? Everyone looks around, you nod, and we're like, let's go. Like, there's so much camaraderie there, and like people deciding we're gonna get through it, we're gonna get through it together. We got to flex out the suspension a bit, which was kind of fun, and it was a blast.
Yeah, it was absolutely incredible. I had a great time here. I'm an E3 Overland member, and so showing up for an E3 Offroad event, didn't quite know what to expect. You know, a little bit intimidated at first walking in and seeing all the big Jeeps, and you know, I'm pulling with a Ram, a Power Wagon, and but we had a great time. It was an amazing experience. What I love about it, it's for all levels and capabilities. It doesn't matter what you're doing, what you're driving, or where you're from. You come here, and it's one community, it's one group, it's one family. We have a great time at night. They're hosting the dinners for us. They're taking us on trails, having experts taking us around. Whether you're a beginner on a trail or an extremist, they've got something for you. It's just a lot of fun.
I had a great weekend. This is our first E3 event, and it was really well run. We met a lot of fun people, went on some great trails. Absolutely loved the Merus Park.
It was absolutely awesome. I mean, it was a great weekend. It's a phenomenal place. E3 put together an amazing event, and we came out here and just had one hell of a good time.
An event like this brings a lot to the table. A lot of community, learning. People with different skill sets are put together to help out. You learn what lockers are, how to place your tires, what line to take, how to use your vehicle properly and in a safe manner. This weekend was more than an adventure. It's an experience. It's great for the soul. I mean, it's so many things, it's hard to put in words.
It's just so relaxing and just gets you in touch with nature and everything God's put out here. You know, I was kind of worried about my cell phone and not having it, but it was awesome being down in the canyon and no cell phone.
Yes.
Loved it.
Yes.
Our weekend was really amazing. We're with the E3 camping, and so then we got here and there was all these Jeeps and Overlanders, and we knew that was included, but we just didn't expect that, and we had a blast.
Next E3 event, you have to sign up, you have to go. The experience, the people, the education, the adventure, it is worth every penny.
We're coming next year, so you better get your ticket.